So join me on a little walking tour of the Unexpected Ibiza Hotel in Playa Den Bosch in Ibiza. So just had a quick chat with reception, asking them to have a look round, and they offered me a glass of ice, can of ice cold water, so it was very nice. And I've lost my hat, so I'm wearing my scuba hat today. I've lost my hat somewhere, I don't know where it is, probably left in the taxi somewhere. Okay, let's go check this place out. So, let's go have a little walk around and just start you off at reception, and then we'll head towards the outdoor area, check out the pool. Hello. As I said, it was so nice. They gave me a nice cold glass of water. Nice little chill out area. Huh. Let's go see what's outside. If anyone's stayed at this particular hotel and got any recommendations for rooms, please leave a comment below. It's not a room review, this one, so if anyone does have any comments, please do leave a message. This is just a walk round of the facilities, so you know what it looks like if you're coming to book to stay here. Massages. You've got the Gordon Ramsay Hell's Kitchen experience going on in here. I don't know what we can see. It's not open at the moment. Well, that's all happening in there. Come on, let's go check this place out. Now, possibility this is going to get cut for sound. So, if there's no audio on this, you know why. Quite a modern vibe going on. You are just right on the beach, look at that. Woo. That is one lovely breeze. Got private jacuzzi. Oh, look at these bars up there. Brilliant. Quite a young crowd here. I'm feeling quite old. Oh. I'm going to have to go upstairs and have a look at one of them sunken pool bar things. They look really trendy. To these frogs. Quite a party hotel, this one, I think. If you're after a chill vibe, I don't think this is your one. I think this is your party hotel. I'll zoom right in, here we go. Okay. I'll spin round and conclude the video for you. If you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. And I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.